We're doing 50 mile an hour at the A30, and I looked to my left and saw there was a large gap. So I thought, we're not overtaking anything, I'm pulling left. And as I did, they stopped.
Alright. I might sit at the back, get a wind. Hot and
the annoying factor in that scenario is that it's always from the insurance point of view, it's always the vehicle behind us at fault for going to the vehicle in front.
Yeah.
Even though the vehicle in front didn't need to take that evasive action, there's nothing actually going on.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous, isn't it? You know?
And the best of it is, if they were driving sensibly, they'd have been in the left-hand lane to start with.
Yeah, this is what annoys me with that going as a back of people rule.
Yeah.
You know?
If they're driving in the right-hand lane, hogging the middle lane, they're already breaking the law.
Yeah. Yeah, I totally agree with you. There's so many flaws in our law in this country.
Yeah.
That people just know now, and they know that they're going to get a payment out of it by flooring them, you know?
Yeah.
It's crazy. It really is. You got a dash cam now?
Yeah, believe it or not, my phone.
Yeah, well I've got one set up in my van and my car because, you know.
I had the dash cam on that day, but it didn't record.
Oh,
And it's like, for fuck's sakes. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like the CCTV on these buses. If they're working, happy days. If they're not, someone decides to go and slash the seats.
Yeah.
You know.
Where's the evidence?
Exactly. The police weren't acting on no evidence, were they?
No.
You know?
Jesus, them branches are low.
I think the council should be out here more, you know.
You should have a tree surgeon out here, shouldn't you?
Doing more of this, you know.
Yeah.
Tree surgery work. Really.
The only thing that keeps these branches away from the vehicles is the vehicles that have hit them.
Yeah, 100%. No trees now after this bit.
How calm that water is.
milk pond, isn't it?
Yeah.
Swimming costumes.
Beautiful, isn't it, Marcus? Yeah.
Yeah, I must admit. Don't get to do this very often.
No.
In fact, I can't tell you the last time.
I can't. In all fairness, other than the last couple of months, last time I went on a bus was over 20 years ago.
Right. Right. Haven't changed much, have they?
No. Still driven by Muppets.
I like the leather seats though. I expect
Oh, yeah.
cloth ones.
Oh yeah,
It's the bogies and the chewing gum you got to watch out for.
Yeah. Should probably have to stop in a minute.
Yeah.
Did you bring the coach round here, Bob?
Yes, I have driven the coach round here, yeah. I
This
was.
would be a walk in the park for you then.
Yeah, I've done. Mark brought us down here a couple of times. I think I drove it at least once, maybe twice. Really easy trim. Do you know, I worry about my tail swing.
Yeah.
More than I should, I think. I'm watching it, but
I don't think you can over worry about
I
tail
don't think you
swing.
can ever worry about it because it'll catch you out.
Yeah, the day you forget about it will be the day it hits something.
Right.
You're dragging a car down the road. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they got their hand on the horn. You're thinking, why they? What's someone leaving it before? Didn't you?
I must admit, one of the worst things I've ever done is actually ripped off a tail lift. Caught the tail on a wall as I was coming around, and it just yanked the tail lift off the back of the truck.
No one's standing on it, I hope.
Oh, Fulham. So the employers were just like, yeah,
Oh, your tail lift. Sorry.
Yeah.
No, I thought you ripped someone else's tail lift off.
No, I was driving a 7.5. Well, one of the funniest ones is I'd put my tail lift up, started driving off, and I hadn't realised I hadn't clipped it in correctly.
Oh yeah.
Driving down the road, and all of a sudden I'm getting flashed, and the fucking thing's dropped at the back. Extra 3 foot on the back of your vehicle.
Oh, right, I've done that.
Oh, I've got the thing
Pulling out of a driveway when you haven't lifted it all the way up.
I've done that.
Yeah, scrape. What's
Yeah.
that? What the bloody hell scraping back there? Oh. Yeah, that's my fault.
They're always working on this railway, aren't they?
This has been going on. I've been back in, what, a year and a half? And that has just been going on that whole time, whatever they're doing on the
But
seafront
it's
here.
that bit over there that collapsed, didn't it?
It collapsed, did
for
it?
storm.
Yeah.
Right.
There's a whole stretch of the railroad collapsed.
Right.
Fell into the sea.
Yeah. The railway
stretch,
track was just
like a-
suspended, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's in the photos in there.
Well, it's like 100 metres in it or something.
Yeah.
Right.
Only finished rebuilding it a couple of years ago, didn't they?
Yeah.
Well, then it looks like they haven't finished.
Well, they put a special gel in the ballast to stop it being washed back into the sea. Basically.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
They're trying to do everything to stop it from getting eroded again.
That's right.
They wanted to push it further out to sea, didn't they? Like a
Nightmare,
little
that
bridge.
was.
So this is one of those sort of towns under threat, basically.
Oh yeah, constant.
Dump a few tons of sand down there every couple of days.
That'd wash away in a day.
Yeah.
See, what they need to do is dump a few million tons of stones down there, big boulders.
You think they probably could as well if they thought about it,
Yeah, but it's the logistics of it, isn't it?
especially getting it into them. If you could go on a boat, just bring the boat out, dump it in the sea further out.
Yeah.
But people are complaining.
Well, saying that,
Can't put those hinges here.
that's what they did in Norfolk, isn't it? They reclaimed all that land.
Which bit?
Cromer.
Yeah.
Where?
Cromer. Everything from pretty much from Norwich out east.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all reclaimed land.
Really?
Yeah. That's why it's all so flat.
How long ago did they do it?
About 50 years ago now.
Is this where they
Oh my
found
God.
like a wooden henge or something out in the silt?
Seahen,
Yeah.
Essex.
That's Essex, yeah.
One Suffolk, Essex border.
Preserved by the seawater or something.